I just share. Not well known. My birthday is 15th, 25th. Why are you saying this? Because I actually think every birthday, it's already a gift for fans. A habit. Because it was also specially shot last year. It's a gift received on May 25th. I was originally wondering if I wanted it this year, but I think that's interesting. You can receive a lot. Painting for me, the kind of compensation you drew for me, or something. And then the year before, I didn't tell everyone specifically last year. I mentioned it in the fan group. Then when I received 4 pens from someone who gave me, then the guy gave me one. Hair salon he made himself. It's like drawing and then drawing is my setting. I will feel very happy every time I receive it. I'm going to continue. Although it is possible, it's not good to reveal your address to others. But, as you all know, do I have a store? Then the things sold in that store. All. Well, it was sent to someone else from my address. If someone else wants a refund, if you return it, send it to me. So I think that address, it's pretty well known. So say what you want. You can ask for my address in a private message. Then I will send them to everyone one by one. May 25th. I look forward to everyone's birthday gifts. Bye.